Hello, in this video, we will elaborate on what goes on in the reading test of the IELTS exam. We will talk about the question numbers, the duration and the question types of the test and more. So, the reading test, as we know, aims to assess the different kind of reading abilities of the candidate. It can be reading for details, skimming, reading for the gist of the paragraph, reading to understand the writer's motives and purpose, etc. Now, again, the reading module for both the kinds of tests, which is the general and the academic, is different, but we will talk about the parts that are same first. So, we'll talk about the question types. The question types in both these versions of the test can be choosing from a list, MCQs, short answer questions, completion of summaries and sentences, note completion, completion of flow charts, and even ticking the right answer, or completing a list, and even matching the ideas, matching headings, etc. Now, if we look at how many questions there are, then both the tests have 40 questions each, and a total of 1 hour is given to the candidate to take this test. This 1 hour also includes the time that the candidate takes to write their answers in the answer sheet. So, no extra time provided here, unlike the listening test. Every correct answer gets 1 mark for the candidate. However, every incorrect answer is marked a wrong answer, and an answer is also incorrect if the spellings or the punctuation or grammatical mistakes are there in that. Then the total marks that a candidate gets are calculated or converted to a band score from a range of 1 to 9. Now we'll talk about the different things that go on in academic as well as the GT test, which is the general training test. So the academic test has 3 sections. Each section has 3 long texts each. These texts are sourced from various resources like books, journals, magazines, even newspapers, and they're suited for a reading audience which is going to enroll in a college or a university for an undergraduate or graduate course, or is even going to seek professional training abroad. The styles of the texts can range from being descriptive, factual, argumentative, or discursive. And there can be some non-verbal information given in these passages as well. This kind of information is given in form of illustrations or tables or flowcharts even. Next, we'll talk about the GT version of the reading test. This version also has 3 sections, but this test consists of 6 to 7 passages. So the first 2 sections have 2 to 3 passages, short texts each, and the third section is a long text. Now, the first section in the reading test of the general training version of the test is about social survival. So this checks the linguistic survival in the English language that the candidate is able to conduct.